Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful lovely banana bread, looking so pretty and easy. This recipe is so easy, so let's start. First thing I'll be doing is to curate my own homemade brown sugar. Due to my family don't like much sugar in their meals, so I decided to use just 130 grams of sugar for this recipe. So I'll be using my black charcoal for 1 tablespoon mixed with this sugar. Please, if you have any good thick bag, you can use and massage this black charcoal right into your sugar to create your own homemade brown sugar. You can use Ziploc bag, is best. I don't have Ziploc bag in the house, small Wola one, so I decided to use my piping bag to do this. I noticed something that the black charcoal we have in Nigeria and in UK is not the same. This is so thick. I struggled to mix this, but at the end it was a success. So gently mix right in and make sure everything combined and you pour it out. This is my own homemade brown sugar. This one is ready. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. The next thing I'll be picking up my banana. Yes, I need up to 343 grams of banana. If your own clock 340 grams, no problem. If your own clock 350 grams, no problem. Go ahead and use it. It will still come out beautiful. So this banana is not overripe, so I struggled to mash it. So if you have potato mash, you can use it and do this. You can also, if your own is well ripe, you can use your fork and do this. So at a point I have to use my wooden spoon to beat. Well, I say to pound it or to beat it. You can even make it more easier by using your blender to blend this immediately and pour it out. So you can see what I'm doing right now, trying to mash the bananas. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. You can see my banana is ready. So set it aside and you go ahead and measure out 250 grams of flour for me. Yes, 250 grams of flour. You need 250 grams of flour. I added the remaining, so I have to open a new one to add more, just to get 250 grams of flour. Please, plain flour is not cake flour. Yes, but today I'll be showing you how to create your own cake flour. Subtract 2 tablespoons of plain flour and add it up with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Yes, just to still get that 250 grams. Go ahead and add in your baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder to this. I'm adding all my dry ingredients together before I sieve. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and you add your baking soda, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, I'll be using 130 grams of butter for this. Please, you have to melt this butter after the measurement. Either you use your microwave or you place it on inside the oven to melt, or you melt it with your hot water. Yes, melt it before you continue. Okay, right into my mashed banana, add 1 egg to it. Stir very well to combine very well. The next thing, sieve all your dry ingredients and also set aside. Very important, I love sieving, not only to remove any lumps or dirty, you can also incorporate air when you sieve your dry ingredients. Add your melted butter. Take your time to stir and combine everything together. The next thing is the brown sugar. Take your time to make sure you break every breakable. Let there be no lumps right inside. Pieces it and let it be pretty fine. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor to it. I'm using industrial flavor. If it's a normal regular flavor, add up to half tablespoon of flavor to it. So start adding your flour bit by bit as you incorporate. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes. I also do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Whenever I post new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, thanks for tuning back today. Thanks for joining today's video. Okay, when you're done incorporating, don't forget to grease your pan. Is so important. I'm using a non-stick pan, but that mentality of greasing my pan with butter and dusting with flour has been there since. So even with the non-stick pan, I went ahead to grease the pan and dusted with my flour, as you can see. So bring out all the butter in the particular pan you want to use. You can use bread loaf, but I prefer this pan because it helps my cake to get ready on time. So spread it out evenly and you tap on the table to close all air bubbles. Go ahead to sprinkle toppings like any fruit, dry fruit of your choice. You can use walnut, you can use cashew nut, you can use dates, you can use anything, but I'm using mixed fruit right here. So feel free to add anything you love to it. So, and I'll be baking immediately. Before I started mixing this batter, my oven has been preheating for a while. Now straight into my oven. Before 30 minutes, this cake was pretty ready and looking beautiful. Just imagine that. Look at that, looking lovely and beautiful. So neat. Oh my god, isn't this beautiful? Oh wow. Okay, let's check the inside how it is. This is beautiful. Like this video. If you have not liked my video, go ahead and click on the like button. Appreciate video by liking, commenting, and also feel free to ask questions. This cake is so beautiful. So right now we'll cut through it to see how soft and moist is looking right inside. Just imagine that. Just imagine. So soft. So soft. This is lovely. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to comment. Thank you pretty much for watching this video today. Thanks a million. Bye bye.